the true north, strong and free. From far and wide, oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. God keep our land glorious and free. Oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee. Oh Canada, we stand on guard for thee.
Wow, you did great. Thank you, Bethany. Ladies and gentlemen, here to do the honors is your mayor, Brenda Locke. There's so many that's leaving together, then please just be really patient and take your time. We'll all get out, no problem. But if you're parked on site, it takes a while to move people out of here. So what we want to do, we're going to have an incredible show. DJ Marvel's put together a soundtrack for us. So it's a synchronized fireworks show. And they're going to shoot some really big rockets. So they're going to go up high and you're going to see them like mad. So we're getting close. We're going to do a countdown. Noura. Hey Noura, come on out here, you can help me with the countdown. All right, we're getting close, ladies and gentlemen. So find yourself a great spot. Remember, if you're drinking, don't drive. Just get yourself home safe. It takes lots of time to do this. And we're getting ready. Oh yeah, listen to that. You're going to dance to this fireworks show, I guarantee it. All right. Are we close? We're listening for the countdown. Are you guys ready?
Yay!